Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Yes, today is a first alert weather day because of the extreme heat in the forecast. The same thing with tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow is probably going to be a little bit hotter as opposed to today. Okay, so for today, lots of sunshine across the map. We'll have some light upper level haze across the map as well. And these highs are going to be about 15 degrees warmer than normal for this time of the year. So 90s and even some triple digits for lower elevations, even in the 80s up in the mountains, at least for the Cascades, 70s and 80s for the Blues. Winds, thankfully, going to be mostly light for today, but this evening after 8 p.m. we could have some gusts up around 25 miles per hour in the Kittitas Valley. Then for tonight, more widespread haze across the map. Overnight lows very mild, as we'll be down into the 60s for lower elevations, 50s in the Cascades and 50s and 60s in the Blues. For tomorrow, this is likely going to be the hottest day of this ordeal, as once again will be about 15 degrees warmer than normal for this time of the year. So 90s and triple digits for lower elevations, 102 for the Tri-Cities, 102 for Hermiston, 103 up towards the Hanford site, 70s up in the Cascades and 80s in the Blues. And again, we'll pass along some heat safety tips coming up a little bit later in the show. But the winds for tomorrow, thankfully, mostly light before 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., we can see some peak gusts around 35 miles per hour in the Kittitas Valley. We'll classify that as windy. So we'll be tracking the fire start potential very, very closely. But especially for Wednesday, this is when the winds are going to be a lot more widespread, a lot stronger. Peak gusts around 45 miles per hour in the Kittitas Valley, 35 miles per hour for the Morrow County foothills. So again, the setup here is the same. Fires could start or spread quickly. We'll be keeping a very close eye on that. And the reason why winds picking up for Wednesday, because of a cold front that will drop our high temperatures down to more seasonal stuff for Thursday and beyond. So we don't like to see the winds going up, but we do like to see the temperatures going down. And rain chances, you can forget about it over the next 7 days. So our vegetation dryness is, those levels are going to be up there, which means that fire danger will also be going up. Here is 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. Triple-digit heat today and tomorrow. Breezy and a bit cooler Thursday. The normal highs into the 4th of July weekend. In Yakima, near 100 Monday and Tuesday. Mid-90s Wednesday. Then upper 80s Thursday and beyond. In Ellensburg, highs teeter-totter on triple digits today and tomorrow. And tracking dangerous fire weather Wednesday and Thursday due to winds picking up. In Hermiston, either at 100 or a bit hotter Monday and Tuesday. Then 90s and breezy for Wednesday through Sunday. Then for Walla Walla, hot weather for the next couple days, perhaps a shower on Wednesday, then dry with normal highs for Thursday and beyond.